Hello students, a very warm morning to all of you. Students of class 5, dears, how are you everyone? I hope all are fit and fine. So students, first of all, let me remind you about the exercises. Still up to chapter 3 of exercises are completed. Okay, and now I'm here with the next chapter, chapter 44 exercise. Chapter number 44 exercise, and this chapter is about insects. Insects. Students, do you know the meaning of insects? I hope you all know very well about the insects. Okay, so today we are gonna to have some different and special kinds of insects name, and their types also. So let's start to see. And the page number, let me show you, 51. Page number 51 we will read today. So all of you are requested to open your book, GK workbook, and take out this chapter 44, insects. Have you opened? Okay, good. Let's start now. Answer the following questions on some common insects. Answer the following questions. Friends, there are given some questions and you will answer of these questions on some common insects. Okay? By telling about some common insects. So first question is that what are the 3 types of bees? ये जो बीज होते हैं इनकी भी टाइप्स होती हैं, ठीक है ना. और ये 3 टाइप्स के जो बीज होते हैं, व्हाट आर दे कॉल्ड, इनके नेम क्या है, इनको किस नेम से कॉल किया जाता है. स्टूडेंट्स, डू यू नो टू दीज बीज आर दिस टाइप ऑफ बीज? ओके, इफ यू डोंट नो, सो लेट्स कम टू सी एंड अंडरस्टैंड. फर्स्ट इज कॉल्ड ड्रोन्स. द फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ बीज इज कॉल्ड ड्रोन्स. स्पेलिंग DRONES. ये एक टाइप है बीज की. सेकेंड आपका है वर्कर्स. सेकेंड नेम वर्कर्स. स्टूडेंट्स, डोंट थिंक अबाउट द वर्कर, दोज हु वर्क ओके एनीवेयर. ये वर्कर जो है ये टाइप के, ये बीज के टाइप हैं, ठीक है. वर्कर्स, WRKERS, वर्कर्स. एंड द लास्ट वन एंड C इज कॉल्ड, and it is also a type of bees, is called queen. Okay, queen, QUEEN, queen. So there are three types of bees. First drones, second workers, and third one you have queen. Okay, so have you got? There are some interesting things about insects. Yes, today we got 3 different types of bees names. Drones, which are about first drones, second workers, and third queen. Clear है? Okay. Next, second question. Do ants have wings? क्या ants के पास उनके wings होते हैं? Yes. All the ants are having their wings. ठीक है? तो आंसर क्या होगा? Yes. Yes. Ants are having wings. Next question. Which flies don't sting and generally don't bite human being? विच फ्लाइज, कौन सी फ्लाइज है जो कि क्या करती है, ह्यूमन बींग को नाइदर स्टिंग करती है और नहीं बाइट करती है. ठीक. यस, सो कैन यू टेल मी दैट इंसेक्ट नेम? यस, दैट्स कॉल्ड ड्रैगन फ्लाइज. ओके, विच डोंट स्टिंग और don't bite to human being. Dragon flies, DRAGON, dragon, FLIES, dragon flies. Clear है? Next है, what are young locusts commonly known as? What are young locusts? Young locusts commonly known as. So students, do you know the meaning of locusts? क्या आपको पता है लोकट्स के? येस, इट इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ व्हाट? इट इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ ग्रासहॉपर, जिसको हम टिड्डा भी कहते हैं. ओके, एंड द सेकेंड नेम ऑफ दैट इज लोकट्स, कॉमनली नोन एज. मीन जो यंग लोकट्स होते हैं उनको किस नेम से जाना जाता है कॉमनली? येस, दैट्स कॉल्ड निम्स. दैट्स कॉल्ड निम्स. स्पेलिंग NYMPHS, निम्स. ओके. Now students, next we have question. What substance do bees collect from the flowers to make honey? What substance? कौन से जो ये बीज होती हैं वो फ्लावर से कलेक्ट करती हैं, कौन सी सब्सटेंस को कलेक्ट करती हैं टू मेक हनी, हनी को बनाने के लिए. येस, द सब्सटेंस आर कॉल्ड फर्स्ट नेक्टर, ओके, एंड पोलेंस. नेक्टर एंड पोलेंस. नेक्टर NECTR, नेक्टर, एंड POLLENS, pollens. These are the substance which the bees use to make honey from the flower. Next है आपका 6 number. Which insect has at its ears on its legs? कौन सी ऐसी ये insect है, okay, which is having its ears, जिनके जो ears हैं वो कहाँ हैं, इनकी जो ears हैं on its leg, उसके इनके legs में है. Yes, that insect is called crickets. That insect is called crickets. CRICKET, cricket. Okay. Next question. What is the function of the spider's web? स्पाइडर की जो वेब होती है उसकी क्या क्या फंक्शन होती है? Yes, so answer is trap flies, okay, on which the spider feeds. ट्रैप फ्लाइज होती है, ठीक है, जिसपे स्पाइडर क्या करते हैं, फीड्स करते हैं. नेक्स्ट आपका है व्हाट इज द फास्टेस्ट रनिंग इंसेक्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, और विच इज द फास्टेस्ट रनिंग, मीन्स वर्ल्ड में सबसे फास्टेस्ट रन करने वाली जो इंसेक्ट है वो कौन है? येस, एंड दैट इंसेक्ट इज कॉल्ड ऑस्ट्रेलियन टाइगर बेटल. ऑस्ट्रेलियन टाइगर बेटल. Spelling of Australian, you know well, AUSTRALIN, Australian tiger. TIGR tiger, and battle is this BTTLE battle. Okay. Next, which insects are noted for their amazing leaping and what? Camouflaging abilities. And question क्या है? Which insects are noted for their amazing leaping and camouflaging abilities, and that insect is called what? What is that? That's called katydids. That's called katydids. ठीक है? Yes, that insect is katydids. And the last one is this. Last, as you can say, which insect is known for its muscles which is 10 times stronger than the strongest human muscles. मीन्स कौन सी ऐसी इंसेक्ट है जो कि जानी जाती है अपने मसल्स के लिए, ओके, एंड क्या होता है, उनकी जो मसल्स होती हैं वो 10 टाइम्स स्ट्रॉन्गर हो सकती हैं, ओके, देन द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट ह्यूमन मसल्स. येस, एंड दैट इंसेक्ट इज कॉल्ड, और दिस इंसेक्ट इज नोन एज व्हाट? फ्रॉगोफर. कौन से इंसेक्ट हैं? फ्रॉगोफर. स्पेलिंग ऑफ दिस फ्रॉगोफर, स्पेलिंग FROGHOPPER, frogopher. Students, so now below side you can see there are given some insect pictures, okay, so you may just try to identify to these insects name and write down near to these or below to these. Clear hai? So today we just got about the insect name and with pictures. First of all, in first we have learned that the 3 types of bees which are called what? Drones, workers and queen. And yes, ants are having their wings also. Yes, and which flies don't sting and generally don't bite human beings is called dragonflies. And next young locusts, commonly known as the nymphs. Okay, and what are the substance do the bees collect from the flowers to make honey? That's called nectar and pollens. Next, which insect had its ear on legs? That's called crickets. Okay, next is that what is the function of a spider's web? It's called trap flies on which the spider feeds. And which is the fastest running insect in the world? That's called Australian tiger beetle. And next, which insects are noted for their amazing leaping and camouflaging abilities? That's called katydids. And last one is called now which insect is known as the muscles which is having the 10 times stronger than the strongest human being muscles, like your frogopher. Okay, so students, these are your today's exercise about insects, their types and their abilities. Hope students you all have understood. So let's students finish this exercise, complete this exercise today, okay, and revise it, learn it also, and be prepared for your annual exam. Okay students, now thank you, have a good day.